Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As the winter season is here, many of you must be noticing dry or itchy feet these days. If your feet turn a little reddish, feel itchy, swollen, or your heels get dry and painful during winter, then this video is for you. This condition is called chilblains, and it happens when your skin gets too cold and blood flow slows down. So in this video, let's talk about why you get chilblains and how you can easily prevent them with a few simple home tips. And yes, I'll also share a natural home remedy at the end that helps heal chilblains fast. So watch till the end. Chilblains are small red or purple patches that usually appear on your fingers, toes, ears, or nose during cold weather. They can feel itchy, burning, and sometimes painful. The main reason behind this is poor blood circulation. When your skin gets cold, and you suddenly expose it to heat, like putting your hands near a heater, your small blood vessels don't get enough time to adjust. That sudden change causes inflammation, and that's what we call chilblains. The first thing you should do is keep your body gradually warm. Avoid putting cold hands or feet directly near a heater or hot water. Instead, wear socks, gloves, or hold a warm cup of tea or water. And keep your room comfortably warm, not too hot. Second, massage and move your hands and feet regularly. Gentle massage improves blood flow and helps prevent chilblains. You can massage your fingers and toes every night using olive oil or coconut oil. Simple hand and foot exercises also help improve circulation and reduce itching. Next, focus on your diet. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, omega-3, and antioxidants like oranges, almonds, spinach, and garlic. Drink warm herbal teas like ginger or cinnamon tea. They help keep your body warm and boost blood flow naturally. Avoid tight shoes and gloves, as they reduce blood flow and trap moisture. Choose soft, breathable materials instead. If your hands or feet start to feel numb, move around or gently massage them. Now, here's a simple natural remedy to heal chilblains faster. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Warm the coconut oil slightly and mix everything into a smooth paste. Before bed, wash the affected area with lukewarm water and pat dry. Apply the paste on the red or itchy skin. You can leave it for 15-30 minutes and wipe off, or apply a thin layer. Overnight, just wear cotton socks or gloves to protect your bedding. Doing this daily reduces redness, itching, and inflammation while keeping your skin soft and healthy. So this winter, don't let chilblains stop you from enjoying cozy days. Keep your hands and feet warm, eat right, and try this simple remedy to stay comfortable and pain-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay warm, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.